how to fix any Instagram DMs problem easily and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to the settings page or open the settings, then scroll down, go to apps manager, go to the top here, and it will take you directly to this page. So let's wait a few seconds. Now after we wait a few seconds, now here we will find all the apps that we have on our phone. Scroll down and go to Instagram like this, click on Instagram, and after you click on it, now all what you have to do is just click on this force stop option, and then all what you have to do is go to this open by default option, click on it and click on this open supported links, and make sure to make it always allow, and then click cancel, go back, click on storage, click on clear data, and the last step is click on app details and it will take you to Play Store. Now right here check if there is a new update. If there is a new update, click on it, and then all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram. The problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.